Good morning, support squad. Happy Monday. I'm so excited to be here with you guys. It's another beautiful week in our businesses. So I wanted to hop in with just a little bit of advice and tips for you guys. So I lately have just been really reflecting and thinking about how grateful I am for all the tools that are available to me to help me run my business, because all of these tools that we have, and so many of them are free, they allow us to run these amazing online businesses. So I want to share the 5 tools that I use every single day in my virtual assistant business. So number 1 is GSuite. So what I mean by that is Google Docs, Google Sheets, Gmail, Google Calendar, all of those amazing tools that Google has provided for us. These are free tools, and what I love about them is they're so easily shareable. You can edit docs within a team and they're automatically updated, and it's really easy to keep everything organized. So as a virtual assistant, you will use Google Docs, Google Sheets, the whole G Suite all of the time with your clients. So I'd recommend getting familiar with it and start using it in processes as you're building your business. So the second tool I use every day, all the time is Trello. And Trello is another free tool. I use it to organize everything in my life, like from planning launches to planning my social media, planning my content creation. I use Trello for everything. It's a project management tool. It's drag and drop. It's really intuitive. It's really easy to learn and free. So definitely check it out as you're starting your virtual assistant business. It's a great way to plan out the launch of your business, keep yourself on track, give yourself deadlines, and really map things out in a very visual way. So definitely check out Trello. The other tool that I could not live without, I'm in it all day for myself and my clients, is Canva. It's a free drag and drop graphic design tool that has eliminated the need to learn expensive and very complicated beautiful graphics for social media with this free tool. One sec, my daughter is out here with her little red wagon making so much noise. Can you wait 1 second? Thank you. She's very busy making lunch for fairies. So then the 4th tool that I can't live without is another free tool. It's Toggl. I use it to track my time with my clients so that I always know exactly how much time I'm spending on each task I'm doing for my clients. I can create invoices from within Toggl. It creates really pretty pie charts so they can see how my time has been spent. So Toggl, that's Toggl. Toggl is Toggl. It's another tool I couldn't live without. And the 5th tool is Planoly. And if you want to use all of the features that Planoly has to offer, it's not free, but there is a free version. But I love Planoly because it helps me schedule my Facebook and Instagram content with ease. I can put hashtags in. It even lets me schedule the first comment, so I can put all my hashtags in one comment. It posts for me automatically to Instagram, so I can plan a month's worth of content and then just have it be running and not have to interrupt my day to think about what I'm going to post on social media. So those are 5 tools I use every day as a virtual assistant. I would love to hear from you. What tools could you not live without in your business? Share them in the comments. And then the other thing I'm going to share in the comments is something really exciting that's coming up this week. It's about to be August, which means a brand new month in the Support Squad membership community. And we have some amazing trainings coming up with some amazing guest experts. We have Christy Monty, who's going to be sharing her proven pricing strategy She teaches you how to price a premium service that's going to let you scale your virtual assistant business to 6 figures, no problem. When she shared this training with me, my mind like exploded. It's so brilliant. It takes everything I've ever heard about pricing a virtual assistant business and turns it upside down and just gives you the freedom to invite so much abundance into your life. So I'm going to leave the preview for that in the links. And then tomorrow I'm going to hop in again and I'm going to share a little bit about our second guest expert. So stay tuned, and I can't wait to hear from you guys about your favorite tech tools. Bye.